So Jamaica, when you don't know the things set in a bless upon yourself. I pay a drama in the house. Right now, we see which part the whole Jamaica beat Shenseea wicked now people. If you don't know where I go on, we're not about to fire out to where I go on right now, cause right now basically what the man them I say right now is like say Shenseea get dropped from the label and she need to apologize to the audience of Jamaica and dancehall and the question is people, right? Is too much pressure being put in on this artist. The pressure. Like when them put on Shenseea, the normal, the expectation. See, I think enough artists slip under the rug a little easier than that still. What is the issue with the audience of dancehall and Shenseea? Because for some reason, everything Shenseea do go viral. Whether I see a good reason or a bad reason, but anything Shenseea name attached to gone viral. Is it? And some people don't realize that once he's an artist, an entertainer, and a whole, them have this saying say any promotion a good promotion because at the end of the day, our name I get speak on every day so that I keep her relevant. Just in case few people them will really feel say when them say certain things about a certain person, you really bring them down. You understand? It all depends still. But people, make sure to subscribe. Me ask and make we get the channel over 1,000 within the next 2 months. We are getting, and make sure to smash the like, drop a comment, leave on a feedback. You see me? Very necessary. Now, people, when you know say it never fails when it come on to being entertained by Jamaicans. We are greatest at that on all scale. Now, you see which part Pretti done clear out the year and this king wicked and brawling. See? Yo, this thing I write now get from bad to worse. So it's like it's a known 6 or 7 rival are going right now. See, out of the island and overseas and things like that. So with that said, basically what Pretti done I say is like say Skeng a sell out yard man thing. And yes, Skeng a yardy. So pretty much what Pretti done I say a 6 she a say all of the way straight cause she a yardy and she have to represent the ground, you see me? And she a say boys like say Skeng I sell out the thing and I go overseas I call other man done. When him a say him name Skeng done, say him a confuse the thing. Now people, wanna think about the 6 and the 7 rival we are going. Wanna think that's a thing where a Jamaican artist should have go in our next island and take part in it, or it's just a gangster world and you just do what you want to do. Because on an artist point, you know say the artists them have to do them thing, them have to go do shows and thing like that. So this is what people want to know, will this be safe for the artists? Because you have to remember, you know, it's a lot of jealousy, you know. It's a lot of jealousy. And enough people want to be in a certain position, a certain space per se. And if you have a certain thing I go on for you, a man jealous and want to take your glory from you. Any chance them get. So that a man have to think about. So basically pretty than I say is skin have to be careful. You see it? Cause I know one set of man have machine basically. You see it? So it thing get tricky. It thing get tricky cause in a situations like this, you have a billion yes man, you don't know who to really believe in and who to really trust. And especially if you be a stranger in our next set of man place, can get tricky. You don't know when you will get sell out. So you know the things set already people. So we always have to look out and say, yo, we need the best of people. But at the same time, everybody have them own choice. You see it? So we have to live it there. So everybody have them own choice. And roll with who them roll with, like who them like, and I just so life go. And I nothing. If a man I go stop for them day about, and I worry about who next man I roll with. I just for them choice that. But as far as the music, still king and squash right now. Still, if the man never go drop some music, me not see what wrong with that. You see it? Cause of music, as long as it not go to no violence. Cause right now, over Trini, the thing set away. Every minute the artist get dashed over there. So that war they can get real tricky. You understand? And we don't want to spill out on the side of Jamaica. So yeah. And we also switch part Nitiko Chitaros, Riley and Buju Banton. A whole of vibes and thing. Show some unity. Which is good cause you know say from all there be excitement, be a drama. So artists them not really get a time for show some love like that. It's been nothing but clash and excitement, which is also good for the culture because you can't turn dancehall in a boring situation. So if we never have some things like this, like the artists them out there did a fight and thing, but I know nothing new that and when I have to just know say entertainment at the end of the day.